Welcome to the channel, and today, we talk about Makita's XWT-14. The brushless motor delivers 240 foot-pounds of max torque and 430 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. In this video, we gonna introduce that bad boy and talk about some knowledge about impact wrenches. The impact wrench comes along with a friction ring anvil, or also known as hog ring anvil. So what is a hog ring? A hog ring anvil retains the socket, with a steel ring in a groove on the square drive, as seen on most air impact wrenches. If you're gonna be fastening and loosening tons of the same size fasteners, the hog ring can be your choice. So let's test the 430 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Nah, that is way too easy. Gimme something more challenging. Here we go. That rusty trailer from our previous video. It's where we've tested Dewalt versus the fake Makita. And we've left the stubborn lug nuts for the Makita XWT-14. Selected Assistant Mode Speed 3. Let's roll. Pretty neat results. Let's do a size comparison. Starting off with the subcompact XDT-15. XDT-13 and XDT-16. Not that much of a size and weight difference. And you may have seen a bunch of people pimpin' their impact drivers with the help of adapters. Sexy for sure, but how about some adapters for the impact wrenches? Half-inch, quarter-inch adapter. That way, you can utilize your existing hex shank bits and bit holders for the punchier impact wrench. 2-inch bits or bit holders are recommended. Just for the record, that's the fate of inserting 1-inch bits. And yes, other brands work for that purpose as well. Let's see what else can be a nice attachment. Milwaukee Shockwave right angle adapter and Makita 12-inch flexible impact bit holder. If you like to learn more, we'll drop some video links about these cool attachments on the screen at the end of the video. Let's compare the LED lights between the Makita and the Dewalt DCF 894. Dewalt's light shines a bit brighter, but it does not come along with an on-off switch like Makita. In fact, the Makita comes with a bunch of settings, from speed settings up to assistant modes. All in all, this is a very versatile tool in the shape of an impact driver. If you like, you can check our other videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.